Okay. So, a tiger in the zoo. The poem contrasts a tiger in the zoo with the tiger in its natural habitat. There are two habitats have been shown. There are two habitats have been shown in this poem. One is the natural habitat, and and the other is of the artificial one. Yes, in which the zoo in which the tigers are kept. The poem moves from the zoo to the jungle and back again to the zoo. Read the poem silently once and say which stanza speaks. Yes. He stalks in his vivid stripes a few steps of his cage. Yes, he is in the cage and he has been moving to and fro in his cage. Yes, hither and thither in his cage. His stripes are there on his body. Yes, on pads of velvet white, and there are the pads of velvet, and it is all silent in his quiet rage, in his quiet anger. The rage is the anger, okay? In his quiet anger, in his quiet fury, शांत पड़ा हुआ गुस्सा में, वो गुस्से में है. Pads of velvet means the paws. Paws are having the pads of velvet. Understanding? He should be lurking in shadow. He should be lurking. Lurking means to hide oneself, having an aim at a point. कहीं घात लगाकर चुपके से बैठ जाना किसी के इंतज़ार में कि when he comes will be killed. When he comes will be killed. So he should be lurking in shadows, in the dark. Shadow means in the dark. That the nature, the instinct of the tiger is that to hide in the shadow, in the dark, and wait for the prey. शिकार का इंतजार करता है. Sliding through long grass. Yes, sliding through the long grass. Grasses are bigger in the jungle, and it is going near the water hole. And there had been the water hole. Where there had been the water hole, it goes near the water hole where the plump deer pass, where the plump fat deer pass. Deers pass. It goes to hide itself, lurk itself. Yes, with an aim, with a target, that whenever the plump deers pass through this way, it will attack, it will pounce upon, it will charge behind these ones. Charge behind, वो पीछे से उसको दौड़ेगा, उसको चार्ज करेगा. He should be snarling around houses at the jungle's edge. Yes, this tiger would go just at the end of the jungle and he would be snarling, he would be grunting, he would be roaring over there near the village. Yes, around the houses, bearing his white fangs, his claws, terrorizing village. Yes, his white fangs, fang, you know the mouth, you just can't say. Mouth. What has gone wrong? There are the students who remain coming, pouring down like the raindrop waters, that after a musladhar rain, some of the drops remain falling, so some students remain coming like drops falling down. And I should be teaching, and I should be just looking after these guys when they come. They should be given the entrance. Very good. So he should be snarling around houses. He should go and snarl. He should grunt there near the houses at the end of the jungle. Be bearing his white fangs without showing the white fangs, his claws, terrorizing the village, just scaring the village. But he is locked in a concrete cell. But this tiger has been locked within the concrete cell. He is not allowed to go out. His strength behind bars, stalking the length of his cage, ignoring visitors. And he has been roaming to and fro, hither and thither, back and forth and back, आगे पीछे, दाएं बाएं, to and fro, इधर उधर, hither thither, back and forth. It had been roaming, it has been moving within the bars, and its strength is there, quite helpless to fight against these bars, and ignoring the visitors whosoever came, playing, rebuking, mocking at this. He hears the last voice at night. Yes, the last voice at night is heard. The patrolling cars are patrolling in that sanctuary. There are the guards who remain moving, seeing that everything is all right with these animals, and stares with his brilliant eyes, and his eyes are brilliant. Tiger, burning bright in the forest of the night. Tiger, burning bright in the forest of the night. Yes. So, tiger burns bright. Its eyes are like the fireballs burning, and can be seen from a long distance that there is the tiger moving there as the brilliant stars. He hears the last voice at night, the voice of the patrolling cars, and stares with his brilliant eyes at the brilliant stars, and it is the night and the stars are there. So the last stanza says that he is out of the zoo, he is in the jungle, he is in the sanctuary, and there are the patrolling cars moving around, and he sees the stars. Stars are independent. Yes, stars are liberated souls enjoying the infinity in the firmament, in the ethereal world, ether, in the ether, E-T-H-E-R, ether, in the firmament, F-I-R-M-A, firma, M-E-N-T, firmament, ether, Empyrean, E-M-P-Y-R-E-A-N, Empyrean world, Empyrean domain, Empyrean realm, दुनिया, आकाशीय दुनिया, sky, azure, A-Z-U-R-E, A-Z-U-R-E, azure, the blue sky. So there were the stars, and this king, the king of the jungle, the tiger, had been watching the stars. The last patrolling car has gone. So two kinds of life have been depicted in this poem, The Life in a Zoo, where they are confined and constricted within the ambience of the Jew, where they are shut down within the bars and they are not liberated, and they are forced to perish, to die there, because this is not the natural habitat, this is not the natural way of living of the tiger. And so once when they are dying, they are once again sent back to the jungle, the sanctuary. But what is the purpose of having a Jew in a city? To show the human beings, the animals, that who is bigger than whom. This animal, man is also an animal. Who had said this? Man is an animal. Who had said this? Ayush Raj. Ask this question. Man is a social animal. Who had said this? No one knows.
Aristotle.
Aristotle. Yes, very good. And who was the guru of Aristotle? Plato. And who was the chela of Aristotle? Alexander the Great. Anyway, come on. These are the great personalities of Greek. Our Hindu cultures and Greek cultures are very much identical. Identical means ek jaisa, are alike. So here, this poet Leslie Norris talks about that he stalks in his vivid stripes. Stalking is to making someone frightened. Stalking is to make someone frightened. वो स्टॉक्स इन हिज विविड स्ट्राइप्स, बड़ा बड़ा स्ट्राइप है उसके बॉडी के ऊपर, चितकावर, यस, स्पॉट्स है, स्ट्राइप्स है, लकीरें हैं. ए फ्यू स्टेप ऑफ हिज केज, और कुछ ही स्टेप्स है उसके केज में, 4 कदम इधर चलता है, 4 कदम इधर चलता है. एंड द